Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri. I'm a plus size model and a self-taught and freelance makeup artist here in North Carolina, and I love the ocean. I was raised in Hawaii, and just from the time I was 5 years old, that's all we ever did was swim and go to the ocean and go to the different parks and stuff in Hawaii. So I think it's just instilled in me. I think it's something that I just like eat, sleep, breathe. I could live at the beach, and ultimately that's what I want to do. Hubby doesn't necessarily feel the same way, but I can dream, and I love going to the beach over the summertime and stuff like that. So yeah, where's your favorite place? Mountains, beach, being at home? Of course I love being at home as well. Anywho, I am switching some things around, switching things up. I will be changing, hopefully after this video, my name on YouTube for personal reasons, and I won't really get into that, but just if you see it, just know that it happened because it had to happen. But today is going to be my Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of June. I always get my mother-in-law's bag, and she is so gracious. Thank you so much. She's so gracious enough to let me open her bag before she opens her own bag so that I can compare and really see if Ipsy is listening to us as consumers. My bag is meant for light skin with brown eyes, colorful hair, adventurous, and very comfortable with makeup. Hers is for light to medium skin with green eyes, blonde brown hair. She likes more neutrals, and she's semi-comfortable with makeup. So yeah, let's jump in, and we'll do her bag first. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, it is a $10 a month subscription. That is cute! Oh, are they doing... Okay, they're doing the Tetris too, like the Glam Plus. Cute, cute. Anywho, that's really adorable. I'm not really a purple or a pink fan, but super fucking cute. And you guys, I should have brought it over here. I'm gonna grab my Tetris game. 1 second. Okay, so here's my old school Tetris game. I have literally had this game for about 16 years-ish. I got it when I was pregnant with my son, and it's really cool. It flips up and then turns and then lays back on itself. I love Tetris. I'm very old school. Like the original Nintendo, I could still play and be fine with. Tetris, I'm fine with. If you give me anything else, I do not know how to play, you know, newfangled games. But I think this is super cute, and like the Ipsy this month is bringing me back. It's like nostalgia at its finest. So if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, I like to ramble, don't I? Yeah, sorry guys. It is a $10 sub box. It is monthly, and you get 5 like try me size items. You will occasionally get a full size mascara or a lipstick in here, and then of course you get the bag. So I feel like it's an amazing value. And let's jump into my mother-in-law's bag. First up, she has a Jaunty Blue Art Makeup liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna assume black because I don't really see a color. So that is that. We have gotten quite a few Jaunty Blue things in here. Traditionally, I think regular eyeliners, and then I think I got a lip cream as well, like a lip pencil one time. So I've never seen them with a liquid liner. That's pretty cool. She most likely won't use that. I never really see her use liquid liners. Next up is the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. That's what that looks like. I have used this for a long time. I think actually if she started to use it and could kind of, you know, make her brows a little bit bolder, they're kind of fair, I think that she would enjoy it, and I think she would use it. Next up, she has something that feels like a full size. Oh, awesome! A Tetris and Ipsy lip gloss. I don't see a shade, but very cute. Oh, in the shade Matrix. Cute. And let's open her up and see. Oh my god. Just the packaging is amazing. She's gonna love this. She likes glosses. That is super fucking cute, you guys. Like, just the bag and this. Okay. Next up, she has a I Am Trash Les Fleurs du Déchet from Paris, and it's an eau de parfum, and a pretty big size too, which is kind of weird because it's not actually full, but I think that's really cool. She's obsessed with perfumes. She loves fragrance. And then her last thing is a Numa Naturally Addictive Revive Healthier Hair, I don't know what the hell it is then, a leave-in conditioner. That is what that looks like. and she likes stuff like this as well. So I think she's really gonna love her bag. I don't necessarily know that she would use the liquid liner. Neither of us is really a liquid liner fan, but I feel like it is very much her bag. It was very kind of subdued, nothing bold, nothing crazy. And I'm actually looking on here and I'm wondering if they had different colors. I'm excited. I'm really excited now to see my own bag. So that is awesome. I feel like it was very representative of her, and just everything kind of simple and kind of minimalistic. So I think she's going to be super excited with that. So let's move on to mine. And I think I missed out this month on getting extras, which sucks, but oh well. Okay. So, very first thing I see are some pharmacy masks. One is a hydrating coconut gel sheet mask, and one is a brightening coconut gel sheet mask. I have a million of these, so I don't know if I'm actually going to keep these. I have so many freaking sheet masks. I did get the exact same bag. I wish I would have gotten a different color, although I don't know what colors it comes in, but nonetheless, it's still cute. So, first up I have, who is that by? Sugar Beauty, I guess. I don't know if this is be Pop Sugar. That packaging is really fucking beautiful. And it is a contour blush in peach pink. That is what the outer carton looks like. That's really cute. And that is what it looks like. It's a very like neutral kind of mauve-y shade. I think it's really pretty. I'm probably going to pass this along only because, and as much as I'm obsessed with blush, I have way too many right now. Like way too many. But it looks super cute. And then next we have a Tetris and Ipsy lip balm. I am loving this Tetris theme, you guys. So let's see what this looks like. You guys, that is so fucking cute. Oh my god. That packaging is it. Whoa. That's very bright orange. I'm going to swatch it on my hand because maybe it's not quite that color. Okay, it's definitely very sheer on the skin. And I do love orange. I know it sounds crazy, but in the summertime especially. I already have something on my lips, but okay, yeah, it's not really showing up with what's on my lips. Oh! That smells so nice. It's like very light coconut. I don't know if it's meant to smell like that, or we'll read on the little card and find out. That smells amazing. Oh, and I am also wearing just, of course, no makeup because, you know, I hardly ever do makeup unless I'm doing a makeup video. But I am wearing the Hover Cover from Belle Beauty by Kim Gravel, and that's all I'm wearing on my skin. Next up, I have a Vital Vita Jelly Cleanser, 1 drop for glowing skin. The skincare line containing 12 kinds of vitamins gives skin radiance, and it's from Tony Moly. That is what that looks like. I do want to smell this. I love that everything is safety sealed. Sometimes if it's not safety sealed, I get a little nervous. Ooh. Very soft and like citrusy, like a soft citrus scent, which is like my favorite kind of scents. And then last but not least is the Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer for Sensitive Skin from First Aid Beauty. That is what that looks like. I have used their products for a very long time and I really love them. I have a lot of primers right now, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not or put it in my extras. But I think overall, amazing bag. I don't feel like it's quite adventurous in any kind of way, but I do feel like it was a good mix of like skin and, you know, beauty products. So I'm very, very happy, especially for 10 bucks, you guys. You cannot beat that. And let's read up on some of our stuff. Alright, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. Help your makeup last longer and look better. This oil-free primer combines the power of super hydrating hyaluronic acid, colloidal oatmeal, and light diffusing micro pearls to nourish and brighten your skin and lock your look into place. The Tony Moly Vital Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser. We've developed an addiction to K-beauty brands like Tony Moly's line of high-quality products. This gentle jelly cleanser is infused with a multivitamin blend to dissolve makeup, dirt, and other impurities while leaving your skin softer, brighter, and hydrated. The Tetris and Ipsy Lip Balm in L33T. We partner with the iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary, wow, to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. I love that. Thank you, Ipsy. Made with nourishing jojoba oil, this sheer peach balm will coat your lips in long-lasting hydration. Okay, so I'm smelling jojoba, not coconut, but it smells like coconut to me. The Pharmacy Hydrating and Brightening Coconut Gel Sheet Mask Duo. What is better than a mask made of skin-loving coconut? 2 masks. The hydrating mask is also packed with hyaluronic acid and cucumber extract for a dose of intense moisture, and the brightening mask is infused with purple broccoli extract to help brighten, firm, and lift. Next was the Sugar Cosmetics. Okay, this is called Sugar Cosmetics. Contour de Force Mini Blush in Peach Peak. On the go, anything from Sugar Cosmetics will help you look pulled together in an instant. This lightweight blush is super buildable, so you can go from a sheer wash of color to a full-on flush. What's best? This peachy pink shade works on all skin tones. I agree, because it's pretty neutral. I don't see it being used for very, very deep skin tones, but I kind of feel like, I think it's pretty neutral. I think it's something that everybody can use. Alright, so I'm thrilled. Probably not going to keep the bag as much as like the nostalgia is like getting me. I just don't like purple. So maybe I'll find a friend that got a different color, and then I will try to trade. But anyways, I think that's a super amazing bag. I think both of us got really nice things this month. I'm going to be canceling a couple of my subscription boxes. You know, money's a little bit tight, and I just want to try to maybe cancel a couple and then be able to get a couple different ones when kind of our financial situation is back to 100%, if y'all know what I mean. It is the summertime, so my son's home, and he's got friends here all the time, and my grocery budget has doubled. Teenagers eat a lot, like a whole lot. So anyways, but that's it. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I truly appreciate it. Please always understand how grateful I am, and thank y'all so much. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you tap that notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.